there, makers and crafters. Let's chat about something super important to your business. Setting the right price for your products using profit margins. This is a great way to make sure your prices not only cover your costs, but also give you a nice profit. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll break it down for you. Hi, I'm Karen. I'm an accountant who's also a crafter. I'm here to teach you essential skills in accounting to help you run your creative business easier and more profitably. So, what's a profit margin? It's the percentage of profit you want to make on top of your costs. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you use profit margins to determine your product's price. First, calculate your total costs. Start with the total cost of making your product. This includes materials, labor, and any other direct expenses as well as overhead. Last week's video explained overhead. You can find a link to it above or in the description. Let's say it costs you $15 to make one item. Then decide on your desired profit margin. The profit margin is a percentage of the final price that you want to keep as profit. For example, if you want a 30% profit margin, you'll use this percentage to figure out your selling price. Apply the profit margin formula. Here's the formula to calculate your selling price. Your selling price is 1 plus the profit margin times the total cost. So if your total cost is $15 and you want a 30% profit margin, your formula will look like this. 1 plus 30%, which equals 1.30, times $15 equals $19.50. This means you should price your product at about $19.50 to achieve a 30% profit margin. Then round your price. It's okay to round your price to something simpler, like $19 or $20, if it fits better with your pricing strategy. Check and adjust. Review your pricing regularly to make sure it still covers your costs and meets your profit goals. And then that's it. By using profit margins, you ensure that every sale contributes to your business's profitability while covering your costs. Now, I tend to use a slightly different method to price handmade products because I believe that the profit margins on them should be higher than traditional margins of 25 or 30%. I tend to multiply the total cost by 2 to get the wholesale price and by 4 to get the retail price. This gives you a much higher profit margin of 100% for wholesale and 300% for retail. However, this can price your products out of step with customer expectations. Remember to see what your competitors are charging before you set your final price. Keep in mind though, your competitors are not people who are making mass-produced products. They're other handmade artists like yourself. Pricing your products doesn't have to be difficult, and I can help you with it. I'm looking for your input on what topics interest you the most. What problems do you have with your business that I can help you solve? Please comment on this video and I'll be happy to feature your ideas in future videos. And if you're interested in future tips and tricks to make running your crafting business easier and more profitable, please subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button and select all to receive notifications of my videos as they come out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and stay profitable.